Have you ever wondered how the new Galaxy Watch 6 holds up against its predecessor, the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro? Is it truly a revolutionary upgrade or just another incremental improvement? Well, we've got all the juicy details for you right here, so keep your eyes peeled and ears open. Recently, Samsung has unleashed its latest wearable wonder, the Galaxy Watch 6. It's time to see how it squares off against last year's flagship sensation, the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. You know how tech advancements can be, sometimes just a sprinkle of new features to keep us hooked. So, if you're contemplating an upgrade from your trusty old timepiece, you might be wondering whether the Galaxy Watch 6 is worth the hype or if the 5 Pro still reigns supreme. Curiosity piqued? Great. We've got an exclusive showdown between these two titans with all the nitty-gritty details you crave. So without further ado, let's dive into the galaxy of smartwatches. Now, size matters, and the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro sure knows how to make an impression. It's bigger and bolder, rocking a single 45mm option that's perfect for those who like their watches with a touch of bravado. In contrast, the Galaxy Watch 6 offers a choice between two sizes, 40mm and 44mm, catering to those who prefer a more tailored fit. But wait, there's more to this rugged beauty. The Watch 5 Pro isn't just about size, it's built to withstand the wild. Now close your eyes for a moment and imagine a titanium chassis embracing its core, lending it an air of invincibility. It's like strapping a mini tank to your wrist, ready to conquer whatever adventures come your way. And that's not all. The 5 Pro boasts an extra durable sapphire crystal display, guarding against scratches and nicks, so you can venture into the great outdoors without a care in the world. So whether you're a mountain trailblazer or a beachside explorer, the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is your steadfast companion. It's tailor-made for those who dare to embrace life's challenges head-on, demanding nothing less than absolute resilience from their wearable sidekick. Now, before you jump to conclusions, let's not forget that the Galaxy Watch 6 has its own charms. If sleekness and versatility are your jam, the dual-size options cater to a wider audience, ensuring a comfortable fit for all wrist sizes. So, while the Watch 5 Pro roars with ruggedness, the Watch 6 purrs with the promise of a seamless fit and seamless style. In the end, it all boils down to your personal taste and lifestyle. Are you the bold and adventurous type, ready to take on the untamed wild? Then the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is calling your name, ready to be your sturdy companion in every escapade. But if you seek a versatile and sleek partner for everyday living, the Galaxy Watch 6 might just be the one to grace your wrist. The choice is yours, fellow explorers of the digital galaxy. Both watches pack a punch in their own right, each with a unique personality waiting to match your vibe. Now, we've established that the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is a rugged beast, perfect for the adventurous souls out there. But wait, there's more. If you're someone who's all about speed and top-notch performance, hold on tight because the Galaxy Watch 6 is here to take things up a notch. Samsung knows how to keep us on our toes, and they've blessed the Watch 6 with a brand new souped-up brain in the form of the Exynos W930 chipset. Clocking in at a blazing 1.4 gigahertz, this powerhouse outshines its predecessor, the 5 Pro, which settled for a still impressive 1.18 gigahertz. Now, you might be wondering, what's the big deal with a faster processor? Well, my tech-savvy friends, it means the world and more to your daily experience. Imagine swiping through apps, checking notifications, and tracking your workouts at lightning speed. No more waiting around for your watch to catch up with you. The Galaxy Watch 6 is like a well-oiled machine, primed to keep pace with your every move. And here's the cherry on top. Both the Watch 5 Pro and Watch 6 will get the much-anticipated Wear OS 4 update. But with that turbocharged Exynos W930 chipset, the Galaxy Watch 6 is all set to flaunt Google's latest operating system in its full glory. It's like giving a race car driver a faster car. The Watch 6 is ready to showcase Wear OS 4 at its absolute best. So, if you're someone who craves top-notch performance and demands nothing but the fastest speeds, the Galaxy Watch 6 is the undisputed champion. It's like having a personal assistant that knows what you want before you even ask for it. Whether you're a productivity geek or a multitasking maestro, this smartwatch will keep up with your hustle and never let you down. But hey, let's not forget that the Watch 5 Pro is still a capable companion. It's no slouch in the performance department either, and it packs a punch when it comes to durability and style. So, if you're content with a watch that strikes an excellent balance between performance and ruggedness, the 5 Pro might be your perfect match. Now, we've covered the Galaxy Watch 6's faster performance, and boy, is it a speed demon. But hold on tight because there's more goodness coming your way. If you've ever found yourself admiring the vibrant displays of the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro and standard Watch 5, but wished for a bit less bezel to cramp their style, Samsung has your back. Take a moment to appreciate this game-changing improvement. The bezels on the Galaxy Watch 6 are now a whole 30% smaller. That's right, the screen real estate just got a massive boost, leaving you with more captivating visuals and fewer distractions around the edges. Now, you might be thinking, what's the big deal about smaller bezels? Oh, trust us, it's a game changer. Remember how Apple amped up their watch game by reducing bezels in the transition from Watch 6 to Watch 7? Well, Samsung did the same magic here, and the impact is nothing short of remarkable. With the Watch 6's 1.5-inch display on the 44mm model, you'll be treated to a sight for sore eyes. It's like witnessing a breathtaking panoramic view, immersive, engaging, and oh so stylish. Don't be fooled by the mere 0.1-inch increase from the Watch 5 Pro's 1.4-inch display. That tiny difference works wonders to elevate the Watch 6's aesthetic charm. So if you've always yearned for a smartwatch that's both sleek and stunning, the Galaxy Watch 6 is the one for you. It's like having a mini cinema strapped to your wrist with captivating visuals that keep you enthralled all day long. Of course, the Watch 5 Pro and standard Watch 5 still hold their ground with their vibrant displays, but the Watch 6 takes it to the next level. Now, we've seen how the Galaxy Watch 6 brings a lot to the table, but there's one area where the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro truly reigns supreme: battery life. Let's face it, when it comes to enduring power, the Watch 5 Pro is the undisputed king. With a jaw-dropping 560 mAh battery tucked under its sleek exterior, the Watch 5 Pro boasts an impressive stamina that can last up to a whopping 80 hours on a single charge. That's right, it's like having a marathon runner's endurance in the form of a smartwatch. You can go on that epic hiking trip, spend a weekend away, and still have power to spare for all your wrist-worthy adventures. On the flip side, the Watch 6's battery, though still respectable at 425 mAh, can only keep up for about 40 hours before it calls for a recharge. Now, that's no slouch, but when pitted against the Watch 5 Pro's incredible staying power, it's like comparing a sprinter to a marathon champ. So if you're the kind of person who values a smartwatch that keeps up with your active lifestyle without breaking a sweat, the Watch 5 Pro is your go-to. It's like having a trusty companion that never leaves your side, faithfully enduring every step of the way. Sure, the Watch 6 brings forth numerous enhancements and snazzy features, but when it comes to the long haul, the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is the one that steals the spotlight. It's the battery juggernaut that keeps going and going, like a true champion defying all odds. Well, thanks for tuning in. If you want more exciting comparisons and tech reviews like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and check out our channel. We've got loads of awesome content waiting for you.